What's up, guys? So today we are going to be recording a video on the new update. Yay! So frick. So the bundle comes with, this is the new bundle. It comes with a surfboard reskin, 10,000 buck coins as usual. It comes with the bucket hat, these glasses, this neck piece, the sleeves, this, and this. So what I did with the fit, with like the new update and bundle and stuff, I created this fit. So yeah, this is my normal fit. The reason I don't have a lab rat is because I kind of got mic banned. Okay, so
oh my god!
This is every new thing for the new update. So there's a toy fishing rod, a bucket which puts all your fish in it, a wood fishing rod which is better than the toy one, a bait trayer, fish, whatever, stuffed fish catalog, and then wooden fish catalog, and then pro fishing rod. And then there's, how do I not end those? But yeah, that stuff. There's these, and these. I don't know what those are. And then if you come, crap. Oh, where's props? Whatever. Not props. This. There's banner display, short item, whatever, item frame, item spawner, and whatever. And there's this where item earner. So say someone wants to buy this. You give it to them, they buy it, you get 50 buck coins every single time someone buys your thing. Crap. So, wait 1 second, guys. This is the new map. And obviously, I'll just show a little bit. This is how you fish. You throw it in. You wait for an exclamation mark. And then you roll it in slowly. Then once the exclamation mark goes away, you get your fish, you roll it in as fast as you want. That's what I got. You grab your bucket from your inventory. By the way, it's in Adventure. And then you put it in there, and then your fish should be, since I already have it, right here. So yeah, that's everything you need to know for the update. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.